Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2015 Mercedes-Benz A220 Night Edition. Now a Night Edition is the one to have. Beautiful colour, Cirrus White. So the Night Edition has the external black package, but this one also has the benefit of a glass opening panoramic roof. Yes, that's a must-have option that everybody wanted in the day. 2015, but a very nice car, just done over 50,000 miles. So the Night Edition externally, as I say, gets the black mirror caps. We get the 18-inch multi-spoke black alloy wheels with the diamond turned edge. Around the windows and the external trim, that's all in high gloss black finish. And this one then also has had the benefit of the back of the roof wrapping in black. Now as we come round the front, this has got factory option of parking sensors on the front and the rear. We've got the Bison headlamps, which is an option on this year, so that has the nice LED brown that you don't see on some. Now all the way around the paintwork is in lovely order. The car is genuinely a very, very nice car. It's in the showroom, so for an 8-year-old car to be in our showroom next to Bentley's probably 10 times as much is a testament to the previous keepers. Had the black wrap on the roof, so the black panoramic roof, normally this is in white and so's this, but it's had the black wrap, so it looks wonderful. As we come down, the badges have all had the black detailing, and then we've got the bumper fins as well. They're not standard, they're optional. You buy them from Mercedes and then fit them on. Great size boots on these as well, fit most things in, and we get a 2-tier boot floor, and all of the gear is in there, your inflation kit and a bit of a storage safety feature. Privacy glass in the back as well, so as you can see, put that on a cherished registration number and it would look as good as new, I'm sure you'll agree. Now I've got 2 keys in my pocket for the vehicle, but all in all, a wonderful car. Now when you have a look inside on these particular vehicles, we're greeted with the Alcantara and half leather interior. This one has got the mirror package as well. Now you can say, Gray, what's a mirror package? Well, here it is. We've got power folding door mirrors, so you can press the button there and the door mirrors fold in, but the mirror package also includes the dimming of the mirrors on the outside. So the 2 keys, we've got 51,067 miles as I start the vehicle. Now this is an automatic as well, so Mercedes-Benz, they have the gear shifter on the steering column. We've got 2 paddles then, and we've also got the cruise control and speed limiter. This one also, with addition, let me go through the options. Factory option, heated seats. Factory option, Becker sat-nav pilot in the glove box. Factory option of parking sensors front and rear. And then, as I open the roof there, Dom, the glass panoramic sunroof, married with the automatic gearbox. So we've got the carbon fibre style on the weave on the dash, CD player, Bluetooth. It's just a really, really wonderful specification car. Very hard to find. Back in the day when we were selling these at 3 years old, everybody asked for the options, and to find a car with all of those options now, so many years after it was manufactured, is quite rare. So if you're the person who's looking for a standout vehicle, to be fair, a wonderfully spec car, 51,000 miles, when you think about it, 8 years, very, very lightly used, you can tell it's been cared for, a non-smoked-in vehicle also, then give us a call. Dom's on the camera, I'm Graham, Lee's in sales. We'll be happy to help. We are a 40-year-old award-winning family business who present their cars to the highest standards. All our cars are guaranteed, serviced in MOT if required, and also come with our own 128-point pre-delivery inspection. HPI clear as well. If you want to talk any more, give us a call here in Wigan. But as for now, thanks for watching my video, and I look forward to your inquiry.